Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, you are going to discover the Gohighlevel's white labeled mobile app. In fact, I'm going to show you how do you get this free app, the gray label app, as well as the paid white label mobile app. So basically, it's not just that you have to pay for the app, there are free versions available as well as how do you get this 2 months of free support uh, when you are trying to get this white labeled mobile app. So all you have to do is just uh, click the link down below in the description to land onto the mobile page. Now, why I say down below in the description or in the comments, you have to click the link. If you just paste in the link, let me just paste the link. As you can see, normal link is app.gohighlevel.com/mobile app customizer. Uh, but in this case, let's say you have a different domain, you can put a different domain. In this case, we have even put question mark fp_ref is equal to Abdullah minus marketing 31. That this is my referral link. So when you open through this, then in case you take the white labeled version of the mobile app, then you will be eligible for this 2 months of support. And our executive over the WhatsApp, our Go High Level expert is the lady is going to do all the setup for you as well. So you don't have to worry and know anything about like how to set up this mobile app, what kind of things you have to enter, the information you have to put in. Doesn't matter. Like the lady is going to work with you one to one personal, and not just that, 2 months of support. That means uh, any single day, any single time you feel any issue, just WhatsApp us into the group, and the lady, like it'll be one to one group, like me, you, and that Go High Level expert. So we will be there for 2 months to make sure that you have it all. So as I told you, there are three mobile apps that you can take. These two are the free, as you can see: High Level app, Lead Connector app, and this one is the paid one, the your customized brand. By the way, for these two, the High Level app and the Lead Connector, this is like you don't even have to pay for it. Let me just click onto this one. As you can see, High Level app, you don't even have to do anything. It is already available into the App Store or into the Apple App Store. So all you have to do is just go to the your mobile phone app store and just download the High Level app. But the only problem would be like even your clients who will be logging in, they will have to download the High Level app. So the branding would not be yours. In this case, they will have to see, like if some people do not have the problem that even if their client sees this High Level app, it doesn't matter. Then for them, this is great option and this is free option. You download the High Level app, they download the High Level app, they can log in and check their statistics, you log in and check your statistics, and things are available. As you can see, this one is the conversation, appointment, the invoicing, right, reputation management, lead management, conversations. Now let me tell you, there is no difference between this app and this app. The only difference is for the branding. Next comes, let's say you don't want your clients to know about the branding, high level branding. All you want is, okay, let it be like, let's just remove the high level so that they don't go and search for the high level and you don't want to mess it up. So all you have to do is just go to this app, Lead Connector app. So within the App Store, again, within the App Store as well as the Play Store, Google Play Store, Android as well as the iPhone, you can download this Lead Connector generic brand app. So this is called as gray labeled brand, gray labeled app. That means it is not depicting high level anywhere. So the customer or your clients would not know about high level, but at the same time, they would not even be knowing about you. Like it's not a customized brand. It is just a midway gray labeled app, Lead Connector. So again, the same thing, the conversation, appointment, and everything. So the set of things they will be able to do through the app. And app is highly sticky, by the way. Like somebody is having the app onto their phone, right? Their entire business, they are able to check their reputation, the people leaving the review. They are able to check the conversation, what sort of message that they are getting. Isn't it amazing, right? Now comes the last part, is the customized branding. Here, if you just choose this one, as you can see, uh, it is not live yet. So to make it live, all you have to do is just you have to go through here, right? Resume, as you can see, I just initiated the customization. You click on initiate the customization, and let me tell you guys, like as I told you, in case you are using this referral link, like you just copy pasted the link down below in the description onto the browser, then let us do this setup for you, as well as 2 months of support. Any question, any queries, anything that comes, one-to-one live WhatsApp support the lady will be answering you at first priority the moment that she gets for like any of the queries for 2 months to ensure everything runs smoothly, and the first setup as well. So you don't even have to do all this thing. You just contact us. By the way, like I'll just pop it up onto the screen. abdullah@abdullahzahid.com is our email if you want this service, or just WhatsApp me at +919958457688. That's where you can WhatsApp me. So yeah, and even let's say right now you have not done this, not you don't even want to this customization from here. You want us to do that. That too, like you just first contact us, and the lady is going to join the call and do the setup for you with this link, right? FBref is equal to, this is the only add-on that you need to put in. So let me just like, if by the way you wanted to do it yourself, as you can see, let me just click on resume customization. So here it is. So even when you start new, this is how it is. So you can enter the first, as you can see, this is where the branding comes. Let me just put my screen here. That's where the branding comes. So as you can see here, upload the app logo. What app logo? Because now you're branding it yourself. What app logo you want, you click and upload it here. Then the screen logo. You want some screen logo, you put the screen logo. Okay, within the light mode, what sort of screen should be there? Within the dark mode, then comes the splash screen. What kind of logo that you want onto the splash screen? Like a splash screen is basically when the app is opening, some sort of displays there in meanwhile. Customization, colors and fonts, or even do the mockup creator. Then comes your profile. You enter your name, phone number, email, support URL, right? Where you want the person to actually contact you for the support, or the support URL. That's where it'll be used into the app store. So you save details, and as you can see, when you click on the overview, you'll be having that branding available shown to you, the logos that you just inserted. And then the last option would be the payment, would be $497 per month for the white labeled uh, app. As you can see, available for both iOS and Android. Custom colors, custom logos, reorder menu item, free updates, your own brand, all CRM modules, invoices. So you, if you wish to have this Gohighlevel, instead of Gohighlevel, your own brand, let's say mine is Abdullah Zahid Enterprise, my own branded app with my own logo, available into the iOS store where my clients can download and utilize it, then definitely this is an amazing service to use. And even amazing would be like, you ensure that you use this link, right? That mobile app customizer, question mark, and just append this item, question mark FP underscore ref is equal to Abdullah minus marketing 31. It's even written into the description. You click onto that. That's how you'll be getting it. And if you just subscribe to it, then ensure, like we will ensure that you get 2 months of personal one-to-one WhatsApp support from the Gohighlevel expert. So any queries, any questions, any setup, everything will be done by us. So you just will do it for you. Just contact us at the email we just mentioned, as well as at the respective phone number, or WhatsApp us at the phone number. So that is how it is, guys. Like the branding will be yours, and rest of the things would be same as within the app. So even let's say again, you don't want the paid one, you don't want this customized brand. The lead connector is available as a gray labeled app where you don't have to disclose this is high level. The people would not know this is high level and still be able to use it. As you can see, entire reputation management, lead management, conversations. People will be able to see the conversations happening, the appointments happening. Amazing, right? So white labeled mobile app, Gohighlevel. That's it. This is it. You can download it and check for yourself. Like you can download it from the Play Store, from the App Store, the High Level app, or the Lead Connected app, and see for yourself how it goes, how it is. And then if you wish to have this customized brand of your own with in the form of mobile app, you can go for it. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for tuning into the video. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. By the way, I have been associated with the Gohighlevel from the past 4 years as an independent affiliate, and I've done interviews like of the founders, the CEOs of Gohighlevel. Super amazing people, amazing technology, amazing app. Definitely, that's why I'm in support for it. Thank you. Bye bye.